Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. Microsoft released a known issue rollback, KB5053656. Now this addresses two issues, one with Server 2025 and one with Windows 11 24H2. So you can see Windows Server 2025 restarts break connectivity on some DCs. And the second one here, Microsoft warns of blue screen crashes caused by April updates. It's also caused by the March preview update. So it's a secure kernel error, and it's to address the known issue on Windows Enterprise managed devices. Admins must install this known issue rollback group policy. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so let's go to our Configuration Manager server. If you have Microsoft Configuration Manager open, go ahead and close that. We're going to open up Edge from the taskbar, and we're going to go to the website where the workaround is. Click here. You'll see the April 8th KB5055656. We're going to go down here to known issues in this update. You'll see blue screen exception. Click here. You'll see the workaround. And right here, group policy downloads with group policy name. Download for Windows 11 version 24H2 and Windows Server 2025. We're going to click here. Okay. You'll see in the downloads, we're going to say show in folder. So that's this right here. We're going to click on cut. Go to this PC, browse to H, share, group policy, and we're going to paste that there. Okay, you can close File Explorer and you can close Edge. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to on DC01 and DC02. We're going to open up the terminal from the taskbar on both of those. Okay, and we'll copy line 34 for that MSI we just downloaded. Paste that there, press enter. You'll see run. Click next, finish, and we can type exit here. We'll do the same thing on DC02. Paste, run, next, finish, and type exit. Now we're going to go back to DC01. We're going to click on Start, Group Policy Management. We're going to expand Forest, Domains, CM Lab, expand Labs, Clients, and look for Windows 11. So we're going to click, then right-click on Windows 11. We'll say create a GPO in this domain and link it here. We're going to call that KB5053656 KIR for known issue rollback. Go ahead and paste that there. Click OK. We'll click, then right-click and click Edit. We're going to go to Policies. If you're following along, we're right here. We're going to go to Administrative Templates. Give that a moment to open. We can expand that. You can see the known issue rollback here. Expand that, click here, and you'll see it right over here. So double click on that, then click Enabled, click OK, close Group Policy Management. And what we're going to do is going to right click on Domain Controllers, link an existing GPO. We're going to choose our KIR, click OK. Then we're going to go down to Member Servers. We'll do the same thing, right click, link an existing GPO, KIR, OK. You can see it's linked now. We can close Group Policy Management. Let's go to DC02. We're going to open up our terminal. And we're going to do a little bit of sync just to make sure that that carries over to our second one. And we'll wait 2 minutes, and I'll be back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. There we go. We can type exit here. Now what we're going to do is, starting from the bottom, we're going to right-click each VM, power, and shut down guest. So right-click, power, shut down guest. Go ahead and do that all the way across the board. Go. And there we are. Now what we'll do is we're going to come back when those are all done. We're going to power on DC01. We'll wait for the logon screen and then power on DC02. At that logon screen, we're going to go on our host. We're going to right click, we're going to run, and we're going to do 90 seconds. Then we'll do CM01, GW01, and then the rest of them. So let's start. Go ahead and do DC01 here. I'm going to power on this virtual machine, and I'll come back when that is at its logon screen. Okay, DC01 is good. Let's do DC02. And we'll come back when that's ready. Okay, now we'll do our 90-second wait time here. So timeout /T 90. Okay, and we'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the rest of these are a lot faster starting up. So we'll do CM01. Give that a moment. At that logon screen, we'll do the gateway. I can actually wait here because I know this is going to be very quick. There it goes. And then GW01. And as soon as GW01 comes up, we can power on the rest of them very quickly. Okay. There we go. Perfect. So CA01, TS01, PC001, and PC002. We're going to give that a few moments, and I'll come back when those are at the logon screens. Okay, let's make sure they're there. Everybody's at their logon screen. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll wait another 2 minutes to let everything load up. Okay, and I'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, so now we're going to log into all of these. Okay, we can start from the top. Okay. Oh, happens sometimes. Give that a moment. Okay. And 2 more. All right. Now we're going to go to DC02. We're going to open up the terminal from the taskbar. And we're going to do a clearing of some logs. We're going to sync, and then we'll wait about 60 seconds for it to sync all of its group policies. And then we'll come back when that's ready. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we can click exit here. There we go. Now all the other VMs, we'll right click the terminal and we'll click Windows PowerShell. Okay. We'll do that on all of these. And the reason why is when we run the invoke action on PC001, it requires that it be in Windows PowerShell instead of the regular PowerShell. So we'll just use Windows PowerShell anyway, which is fine. Okay. There we go. And there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a time sync, a group policy update first on all of these. Okay, there we go. We'll go all the way through just like so. Now, sometimes if this doesn't take because that group policy that we edited hasn't replicated completely, we can restart that machine and try it again. Okay, so this is good. Let's go through CA01, CM01, TS01, PC001, and PC002. All of our policies have gone through. Now we're going to run our invoke actions. There we go. Paste on all of these just to make sure we're talking with our configuration management server good. All right, paste and paste. Okay, we'll start from the top here. Just press enter to exit. Perfect. There we are. Okay, and okay, now on CM01, we're going to open up Configuration Manager from the taskbar. Give that a moment. We're going to be right here. Go to Assets and Compliance, go to Devices, make sure we have green check marks on all of our VMs. We're good. We can close this. Now, we're going to shut them down one more time because now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the other snapshots and create a new snapshot. Okay, so same thing we did before, right click, shut down guest, all from the bottom. I know this seems tedious, but that's okay. We want our lab running well, and we want to get rid of the old snapshots that we have and create a new one, right? So what we'll do is I'm going to show you how to do this on one of them, and we'll, so line 216, I'm going to right click and copy that, okay? And I'm going to right click on each of these, go to snapshot manager. I'm going to click on the old snapshot, click delete, let that delete and clean up, okay? I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and that's good. Now we're going to click take snapshot, Control V to paste, take snapshot, and close. And now I want you to do that on all of these, and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, and we're back. So I've done all that. So we're going to look at down here. You can see where it says snapshot. If I click on each of these, you can see that the snapshot is there on all of them. We're good. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to power on DC01, then DC02, wait 90 seconds, CM01, GW01, and then the rest of the VMs. And I'm going to do that, and I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, DC01 is on, so let's power on DC02, and we'll come back at the logon screen. Okay, and now we're going to wait our 90 seconds here. So right click, run. Let's go to our timeout. There we are. And I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and we're back. So let's do CM01. There we go. Shouldn't take too long. GW01 for our gateway. And as soon as that's done, we'll power on the rest of them. Perfect. That one. Give that a second. There we go. Okay, and PC002. Give that a moment. I'm going to right click down here, run. We'll go to our 120-second timeout. I'll wait until I see that logon screen. There we go. And we'll come back as soon as that's done. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. So let's log into all of them, and I won't bore you with that, so I'll do it myself, and I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, and let's go to our DC02. We'll open up our terminal. We'll do our sync and our 60-second wait here. Copy, paste. There we go, and I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and we can type exit here. There we are. And now what we'll do is we'll go on all our VMs. We're going to do the same thing that we did before. Right-click Windows PowerShell for each of our terminals, like so. Okay. There we are. And one more. There we are. We'll go to DC01. We're going to do our time sync, our invoke actions, and then our exit. So we'll do that there on all of these, all the way down. Paste and paste. There we go. And just press enter to exit. Perfect. All the way down across the line. And there we are. Let's go to CM00 or CM01. Let's open up Configuration Manager from the taskbar. Give that a moment to load. Go to Assets and Compliance, Devices. Let's verify all our green checkboxes. And we are good to go. So our known issue rollback is installed. Group policy has been pulled down. And your lab is up to date. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, brotherbearbarris@gmail.com. I'll catch you all later.